In this video, I will walk you through a detailed comparison and review of the Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream. When shopping for anti-aging solutions, the choice often comes down to balancing premium ingredients with accessible pricing. This specific formula, recently upgraded and available for $29.99, positions itself as a competitive alternative to high-end department store moisturizers. The primary contrast here is the focus on multifunctional results. While some creams only target surface dryness, this product is marketed as a Tri-Lift complex. This means it is designed to tackle three distinct concerns: reducing the appearance of wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, and providing deep hydration. For those weighing their options, the trade-off is often between a gentle formula and a powerful one. However, this peptide cream claims to be gentle enough for all skin types, making it a versatile choice for anyone, from those with sensitive skin to those needing intense repair. It stands out in the market as a recent addition that has already secured high marks for its effectiveness. Whether you are looking to firm up sagging areas or simply want a richer moisturizer for your daily routine, this upgrade aims to deliver visible results without the premium price tag. The value proposition is strong, especially for those who want a simple, one-bottle solution for complex aging signs. If you have been searching for a trustworthy moisturizer that simplifies your skincare steps, this might be the win your routine needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more skincare breakdowns. Does this sound like a fit for your skin? Let me know in the comments below.